Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. I'm back again with another informative video. Today I am going to talk to you about go around. Have you ever experienced a go around? Let me first tell you what a go around actually is. So a go around is basically when you are coming in for your landing, you are on your final approach, you are coming in low, low, low and low, and then you realize that this landing cannot be done. So before touching down on the runway, you add power again and you continue to take off from there instead of coming down to touch down on the runway. This is a go around. Let me tell you, a go around is done completely for the safety of the passengers and it is not because of the incompetence of a pilot. The decision to go around is based on a careful assessment of the situation and the adherence to the established procedures. It definitely is not the reflection of a pilot's incompetence, but rather a very proactive way to ensure the safety of everybody on board. There are several reasons as to why a go around may be necessary, and most of them are not related to the pilot's incompetence. Here are some common factors that could lead to a decision of a go around. Number 1. Unstable approach. If the aircraft is not in the correct position or correct configuration during the final approach, such as they are coming in too high or they are coming in too fast, or the aircraft is not properly aligned with the runway, that kind of approach is considered to be an unstabilized approach. Continuing with such an approach could compromise the safety of the landing. So a go around is performed to establish on a stabilized approach. The next reason is a runway incursion. If there is another aircraft, vehicle or an animal on the runway while you are coming in for your landing, you will perform a go around, and this is solely done to prevent a collision. The next reason is poor weather conditions. Low visibility, strong crosswinds and severe turbulence can make it difficult for an aircraft that is coming in for landing. So the pilots may decide to go for a go around and wait for the weather to become better or else divert to the alternate airport. The next reason to go around might be because of the ATC instructions. The air traffic controller may require the pilots to go around due to traffic conflicts, spacing requirements or any other safety related concerns. And the last reason for a go around could be because of systems malfunction. In some cases, technical issues with the aircraft systems or the instruments may arise during the landing approach. In such cases, a go around is necessary to troubleshoot the problem. So these are some of the reasons why a go around is performed. It is important to note that pilots are highly trained professionals and it is their duty to prioritize safety of everyone else above all. So whenever the pilot of your aircraft decides to go around, it is just because he keeps your safety in first place and it is definitely not because of any kind of incompetence. So now you know why a go around is performed. For more such informative videos and updates, keep following our channel Epaulettes. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!